I think the most rewarding part of the practice is when I see that clients have grown and that I've helped them with either resources or educating them or empowering them to make decisions. I've had clients before that have never balanced a checkbook, don't know what's in their bank account, don't know how to buy a house, or just don't know what to do with their future going forward. So I've been doing this for so long that after I've interviewed a client, I can pretty much see what their needs are going to be as far as being able to help them transition. And when I can see a client transition successfully into that next stage of their life, and they are empowered to do that, that gives me a lot of satisfaction. I think that I want to do no harm, that I really want to help people become the best versions of themselves through this process. So trying to educate people about what their rights and obligations are within the framework of the law, and providing them with resources and knowledge to make this transition that they have through a divorce as seamless as possible, as painless as possible, and help them grow into that next phase. I have a real heart for service to others, and so have been doing that for many years. I've chaired the family law section of the county bar. I've chaired the family law section of the state bar. I've testified in the legislature on family law bills. I have co-founded several nonprofits, including the Sacramento Children's Fund. Through the family law process, I learned that kids in family law cases, a lot of times there's no money to help these kids. There's money in like juvenile court and other areas, but not in family court. So I founded a foundation that provides money for kids in family law cases. Might be for counseling, might be for prom tickets, might be for glasses. The parents are going through a divorce, they don't have money, and so we grant funds for that. And I've had that running for about 25 years now. I also co-founded a foundation for educating and providing funds statewide for organizations that don't have a lot of money, that are providing services to family law litigants or families, and they don't have a lot of money to do that. So we raise money for that. I also found a few years ago, I want to say it was about 10 or 12 years ago, there was this really big problem in the Sacramento area called human trafficking. I'd never heard of human trafficking. I didn't know what it was, but I knew as I started to find out about it, because I was asked to do some pro bono work for family law victims in the legal field. And as I learned more and more about it, I decided something more needed to be done. And so I started a nonprofit to provide education for the kids in some of the marginalized communities in the greater Sacramento area. And we go into the schools and provide education, preventative education around the issue of human trafficking. And we've been doing that for about 15 years now.